I recently found out about this jobs category on this brand new website that has allowed me to make on average $90 a day completely for free. Some days have been over $500, a couple of $0 days, another day over $400, then a $190 day, $90, $80, $50, $29, $226. So I averaged it out to be about $90 per day. Just to refresh and change this to the 7 days to reload the chart, you can see in the last 7 days, I've made $545, just under $100 a day, which is a really nice side hustle that I'm getting out of this without spending any money on paid ads or on tools like Builderall or Kartra. This is all completely for free. You don't need a website, and this will take you 5 to 10 minutes to do every single day. It will not take long. You can set this up and start seeing results like this. And what's great about this, you can use the money that you make from this to invest into paid ads later on to scale and make $100, $200, even up to $1,000 per day by reinvesting your money and growing your business. And the best part is you can do this off your mobile phone, whether you've got Android or iOS. You don't need a laptop. You don't need a super fast internet connection. You just need a mobile device with the browser, and you can do this. This is worldwide accessible. Every single website that I'm going to show you has been rated on Trustpilot and is worldwide, so anybody can access these websites and utilize them to make money. And this is a very scalable opportunity, or side hustle you would call it. I know $90 may not seem a lot, but I mean, for 5 to 10 minutes work a day, that's not costing you anything. It's very easy. It's a lot more than what some 9 to 5 jobs pay, and this only takes 5 to 10 minutes to set up. And I'm going to give you an awesome bonus at the end of this video where I will show you a database where you can get 15 extra websites just like the one I'm going to show you over here, to 15 times your traffic and to 15 times your revenue. This is not something you want to miss. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Jay here, your no BS South African online entrepreneur and coach, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on various ways that I use to make money online. From dropshipping, affiliate marketing, to trading, to making money on all sorts of ways online. If you want to get daily videos like that, make sure to subscribe down below with the red notification bell on. And also quickly just going to do a giveaway in this video. So over here, I'm going to give away an entire TikTok course that you can use to build a business out of TikTok and make money on TikTok. If you want to get this giveaway, all you need to do is leave a like, comment down below that you're ready, and you have to be subscribed with the notification bell on, and I will send this your way and reply to your comments. I'm also going to leave 3 links in the description to 3 other free courses. There's no upsell to some $2,000 course or something like that. It's all completely free. It will be sent to your email. So make sure to go and claim all of those down below and go and participate in today's giveaway over here as well. Also, make sure to click on the first link in the description and enter this coupon on the checkout to get a huge 90% discount. There's only about 5 of them remaining. So it will take this entire drop servicing course from $397 all the way to just $29. It's only about 5 spots remaining, so it's very limited. So that will probably fill up really quickly after this video once it's posted. So if you get that coupon and it works for you, well done to you. You managed to get your seat. So make sure to click on the first link in the description, enter this coupon, go and claim it, and I'll see you on the inside over there. But we're going to continue straight over here on my PC. So the first website that we need to head over to is digistore24.com, or any affiliate marketplace network that you can think of, like ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Digistore24, another one over here. Now, you can do this with any niche. If you have a product in mind, whatever you want to use, you can do it. I suggest take a look at my example so that you can understand what I'm doing and why I chose the specific niche for the jobs niche. So what we want to go and do is we're going to tackle the jobs niche, and we're going to go and help people get jobs and make money online. So firstly, on digistore24.com, you can click here, start now, sign up completely for free. I'm just going to log in with my existing account. Once you've signed into your account, you will see a page over here with all the categories from the digital products that you can go and promote over here. Some of the top page products over here. Remember, since we are using the jobs niche, we need to go and find a product that will teach people how to make money, that will replace their current jobs. So what we can go and do is we want to go and choose internet marketing and e-business over here that will teach people about internet marketing and e-business. And we can go and choose jobs and employment over here. So what I suggest is go and open up these 2 categories over here and wait for these pages to load. And for example, this top product over here is an entire mastery course and training program that will teach you how to build a business on YouTube and make money on YouTube from your first month. There's also another product over here called the Click Wealth system, which is more about affiliate marketing, landing pages, selling products, and that kind of thing. You will get $14 per sale. What I like about this product, and this is actually one of them that I've been using for the strategy, it's not super expensive. It only costs about $25. So the majority of people that are looking for these jobs can afford a product like this. So what you can go and do is, if you go and click on promote now, and go and click on your affiliate link and open this in a new tab, you'll go and see that this entire web page and sales page is completely done for you. We don't need to go and create a website ourselves. We don't need to go over to Builderall and connect up any affiliate links or anything like that. This page is done for us, ready to go and promote. And this is what we need to go and do next. We can come over to a website called pennysaverusa.com, which is a free classified ads website in the United States, where we can go and promote specific products and services in various different categories, from real estate, pets, cars and vehicles, garage sales, jobs, merchandise, services, and food and dining. So the great thing about this is, if you want to plug in your own products with any of these categories over here, you can go and do that. This video is just setting the base and foundation. It's also up to you to think outside of the box and try various other products. But since I'm using the jobs niche and teaching people how to make money in the jobs niche, we can come over to place free ads. On the top right of this website, there's a blue text that says place free ads. Now, before you go and click off and dive into this website and go and try this, or if you've already seen this website and not interested anymore, or don't want to continue, I suggest keep watching to understand, keep watching to have a look at how I'm going to fill out this ad. And it's super important that we get our copywriting and our text right, because that is what is going to sell our affiliate products. So over here, for our category, we're going to select jobs, since we're promoting in the jobs niche. For a subcategory, we can go and choose, for example, business opportunities over here. And for our title, we can come back to our affiliate link landing page and copy this title over here, just like that. For the description, this is a training program and business opportunity to replace your current job with a full-time or part-time online affiliate marketing side hustle to generate $50 per day. Click here to access this free training. What we can go and do is we can go and copy our affiliate link on digistore24.com, paste it over here, just click on enter, and we can put in brackets here, copy and paste this in your browser. Put in brackets, put a couple of spaces over here, and we can leave that link just like that. For the price, we can go and enter $9, which is the startup price of this particular product, this ClickWealth system. For the images, what I suggest we go and do is if you come over to Digistore24, click on the affiliate support page over here. It will take you to this page over here where we can actually go and get pictures, graphics of this particular product, so we can go and print other people's proof. So let's go and, for example, we can actually just go and copy some of this proof over here. So let's go copy this person over here. We just go right click, open image in new tab. It will open up, right click, save image. Just save this to your PC, come back to your post and drag and drop this image over here. Double click on it and it will upload to your ad. So now people can see proof. You can add multiple images of all the proof that you want to. This might just help in selling a product and convincing your lead more to buy this product so that you can get a commission. For the YouTube video over here, again, copy your affiliate link and paste this over here. For the zip code and address, what I suggest you do is come over to Google and just type US address generator, click on enter over here and click on the first link. It will generate a random United States address that we can go and post in our ad, because remember, this ads website Penny Saver is only for the United States, but this little trick or hack will allow you to post on this website anywhere in the world. So we can go and copy, for example, 237 Plaintiff Avenue. Let's come back to Penny Saver over here. So we can go, for example, copy our zip code over here, go and paste this on our ad. For the address, we can go, if it's optional, so we don't have to worry about that. I'd leave that out. Contact name, you can just put your own name, for example. You can also put your own number and you can also put your email address. So let's go and do that. Click on continue when you're ready over here. Make sure to enter the address number over here as well from the fake generator. Click on continue when you're ready to go and post your post. It will eventually load up with a couple of options over here. Now, what you can do is once you've made money from the free strategy, you can actually go and invest $25 to be listed at the top of this entire website out of all the ads, and you will get 300 to 600% more traffic and views and clicks on your ad to get more sales. You can also go add specific badges. For example, we're hiring a new hiring badge or a premium US jobs package. But I recommend, if you have the money, go and invest $25 to be seen first and on top of all the categories on this website. It really helps you get a lot of clicks. Once you've made your first sale or that initial $25, go and repost another ad and post it on the top. But I'm going to click publish over here so that our ad will now go publish publicly on this website. And once this has been posted, your ad will now be live. Now, you just wait, you get traffic, clicks, views, and signups on your affiliate link. Now, what you want to go and do is you want to come over to this other website that I showed you over here, 15 best free advertising websites for business owners and marketers. So this is called mobilemonkey.com/blog/free advertising sites. You've got Facebook Marketplace, Google My Business, eBay, Craigslist, Locanto, Oodle, OLX classified ads, adpost.com, Gumtree, Sales Spider, Penny Saver, Jibo, and Hoobly.com are all the same kind of websites where you can go and post classified ads. Now, if you go and replicate and copy your adverts on each and every one of these websites, you're going to 15 times your traffic, 15 times your clicks, and 15 times your sales on your affiliate link. As the more traffic, the merrier for you. So let's go, for example, choose over here, add post. So let's just type adpost.com and click on enter. Exact same concept. Over here, you can go and choose your country, United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Ireland, Australia, New Zealand, or any one of these. I recommend go and choose United States, even if you're not in the United States, because we want to go and post in the United States because that is high quality first world country traffic. Exactly over here, employment, go and add a new posting. You can literally come over to Penny Saver, copy your ad, paste it on adpost.com, go and paste it on Craigslist, Oodle, OLX, classified ads, Sales Spider, all of these websites, click on post and go and replicate your ad on all of these. So for adpost.com, you're going to click on my ads over here, and you can then go and click on post ad over here. And here you can see is another ad that I made money online with John Cressani's super affiliate system. So this is just another example. And then I'm also doing this with other affiliate products. So you can do this with more than one product. But now I want to explain to you something quickly. If you want to go and scale from $50 or $90 a day or whatever you're making from this to well over 500, thousands of dollars every single day for selling rare high income skills and services without actually doing that work yourself. So that will be the first link in the description. Like I said, make sure to enter this coupon on the checkout of that page, and you will see the price come down all the way from $3.97 to just $29, and there's only 5 spots remaining on that specific coupon. So make sure to go and enter that down below and go and claim that before that expires. Otherwise, the price is going to go back up to $3.97 and you'll miss that opportunity. But don't forget about the giveaway today, where I'm giving away this Fuel Talk program over here, and all 3 other giveaways in the link in the description. So make sure to go and click on all of those, leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below that you're ready, and I'll reply with the link to this giveaway as well. But what I'll do is I'll leave a playlist over here if you want to learn more about making money online with affiliate marketing, Digistore 24 products, ClickBank products, growing your side hustles and main business. This playlist is all the best videos that I've compiled on my YouTube channel over the past 2 years in one simple playlist for you to access at the click of a link. So make sure to go and click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.